box open. Almost looks like a little compartment in the front. I got a box over here if you need anything.
Good job, buddy.
No.
The driver of that car is in custody as they continue to search there. We want to get in our missing segment where all of you can help find kids who are missing around this country. Tom, what do we got?
Live PD Nation, tonight we need your help to find a missing Northern California teenager. On May 25th, 2016,